In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up routines in TickTick. Routines live in the habit tracker, and they're perfect for daily or weekly actions you want to reinforce. Things like planning your day, reading, or workouts. I'll walk you through creating a habit from start to finish so it's clear, consistent, and easy to check off. Start by opening TickTick on the web and look at the left sidebar. Find Habit Tracker and open it. This area is separate from regular tasks. It's designed to track streaks and gradual progress rather than single to-dos. At the top of the habit tracker, click the plus icon to create a new habit. Give your routine a short, specific name. Action verbs help you recognize it quickly later. Think plan tomorrow, read 20 pages, or stretch. Keep it clear so you know exactly what to log. Next, choose the frequency. You can run a habit every day, on certain weekdays, or at a custom interval. Match this to how often you truly intend to perform it. Realistic schedules beat ambitious ones you'll skip. Set your goal. This defines what done means. You might set it to once per day, a number of repetitions, or a length of time. If you're measuring minutes, pick a duration you can sustain on busy days. You can always go beyond it and still keep your streak. Choose the start date. Starting today is great for momentum, but you can align the start with a new week or a specific date if that fits your planning rhythm. Then set goal days. This is your weekly target, such as 5 days out of 7, which gives you flexibility while still aiming for consistency. Assign a section to keep similar routines together. Grouping by themes like health, work, or personal helps you find and review habits faster. Now add a reminder. Pick a time when you're most likely to act, not when you're busiest. If your routine depends on another activity, set the reminder to follow that trigger, like after lunch or when you finish work. Enable the auto pop-up of the habit log if you want a nudge that lets you record progress instantly at reminder time. It reduces friction and makes logging almost automatic. Finally, click Save. Your new routine appears in the habit tracker, ready to check off and build streaks. Review how it feels over the next week and adjust frequency, goal, or reminder timing as needed to keep it achievable and motivating.